Welcome to the House of Gems channel. This is our third video of our 101 series and part 2 of types of findings and how to use them. The following weeks will include more in-depth videos on how to use the right findings in various jewelry. The findings we'll be talking about today are crimp beads, tubes and covers, drops and connectors, eye pins, head pins, and jump rings. Crimp beads, tubes, and covers. For wires that can't be knotted, crimp beads can be used to secure a loop. Crimp covers can be used to cover the crimp and make it look presentable. Crimp beads and tubes comes in various sizes. Crimp covers can come in different designs. You won't even know there's a crimp holding the piece together. Drops and connectors. Looking for embellishments for your jewelry? A drop is an excellent way to dress up your pieces. A connector is a stylish way to add some bling to jewelry. Our drops and connectors come in many colors and sizes. Eye pins. Eye pins are a must if you want to add a little extra to your jewelry. Sometimes it may even be essential to creating a bracelet. An eye pin is a pin with an eye loop at the end. This eye loop can be used to attach any other pieces or to another eye pin. Eye pins come in various lengths and gauges. Head pins. Head pins are similar to eye pins, but instead of a loop at the end, there is a wide base to it. This is to stop beads from coming off the pin. Thread a few beads onto a head pin and attach to another piece. These also come in various lengths and gauges. Jump rings. Need a simple solution to connect two pieces together? Jump rings are little rings that are either open or closed. They come in various diameters and gauges and can be used in many applications. Whether you need a loop for a clasp to hold on to or a way to connect two pieces, there is a jump ring for any occasion. And that concludes part 2 of the findings videos. Next week, stay tuned for a video of what findings you'll need to make your very first necklace.